So most of you were requesting to provide review of this book, so I am here to give review of this book, the CLAT 12 mock test for CLAT 2021, provided by Career Launcher, which I bought at just rupees 499. And honestly, I would say such a bulky book consisting of 12 mocks available at just 499 is an amazing deal, you know. So not only 12 mocks, but this book has also CLAT 2020 question, and that too with explanation. Okay, this is very surprising because you would rarely find any source where answer along with explanation is given. Yes, there are sources where you are being provided with solution, the exact answer, but not with the explanation. But here in this book, you can actually see the explanation. So what is most surprising is that it includes ALET 2020 paper and again with explanation. So I would not actually waste your time, and let us see if the mock is based on new pattern or not. This is the most frequently asked question, if it is based on new pattern or not. So let us see if it is based on new pattern or not. So as you can see, let me turn the pages. And here you can see the mock tests are available. That is mock 1, mock 1, mock 2, mock 3, mock 4, and so on, and also CLAT 2020 paper and ALET 2020 paper. So moving to the mock test section. So here you can see this is the English section of the first mock test, and you can see that yes, it is actually based on the new pattern, right? So approximately 450 words, and here you can see the passage is based on 450 words approximately. So yes, the English section of this mock test is based on new pattern. So moving to the next section and see if it is based on new pattern or not. So these are the passages given. The general knowledge and current affairs, this is not the updated one, so I'll come back to this later. It is passage based, but not the updated one. Now legal aptitude, yes, again it is based on the new pattern, and that is a 450 words passage and coupled with question. So yes, legal section again with the new pattern that is being introduced by the CLAT consortium. So legal aptitude is based on new pattern, and you won't find any difficulty in this particular section. So moving to the math section. So these are the passages of legal section. Okay, before maths we have logical reasoning section, and again yes, as mentioned by the CLAT consortium, it should consist passages of around 300 words, okay, approximately. And here again you can see passages. So yes, it is based on new pattern. So the last section is maths, and let us see if it is based on new pattern or not. This is the most frequently asked question aforementioned. So moving to the final section, that is the math section. So these are the passages of logical section, and again you can see this is the elementary mathematics numerical ability question, and this is based on data interpretation questions. Yes, this is the new pattern book. So I hope the doubt is quite clear that yes, this is based on new pattern, and that you wouldn't face any kind of difficulty by paying this 499 price, and you'll get I think this is the best deal you can get for at this amount. So see, GK is not totally updated one, but still I would say that this isn't a bad deal, rather an amazing one, because you just keep yourself updated, and one can attempt this mock leaving GK section. Okay, now let me give you an idea that one usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes for GK section. So you can start appearing for mocks giving yourself 105 minutes. Okay, so why 105 minutes? Because this is not the GK that is updated one, so you can start with 105 minutes, and in case you don't want to attempt the GK section as it is not the updated one. Okay, so this is all I wanted to say about this particular book, that is the CLAT 2021 12 mock test by Career Launcher. So, and one more thing I would like to say, that it took me around 10 days to receive this book, and I would suggest you all to go for this book without any sort of hesitance or reluctance. You will definitely be benefited from this book. So talking about this particular thing, that is free online support, that is 5 free online mock test is given over here. So I kind of struggled to enroll for this particular series, 5 online mock test. So I'm just waiting for my response. I have mailed them that I'm facing certain difficulty to access those 5 free online mock tests. So response of my mail on how to access the mocks is still awaited. I will let you know in case I get one in the comment section. Okay, in case I get any response from them, I will let you know in the comment section. So one more thing I would like to suggest, that you should actually print an OMR sheet, okay, while attempting this question, because this year the paper is offline, we all know that, and you need to fill the OMR sheet as well, okay, while attempting the question. So you can simply search OMR sheet on Google and you can print one. It's quite easy, okay. I hope you all will get access to the OMR sheet quite easily. So this is the complete review of this particular book. So I would say that at 499 one must, one shouldn't actually give it a second thought and purchase this particular book. So this is available on Flipkart and Amazon at 499. As I have mentioned, prices may differ in both the in both Flipkart and Amazon, but not a huge difference is there. So it's somewhat close to 500. So I hope I have provided the necessary review of this particular book. So you can get this book, as I mentioned, at Amazon and Flipkart. Prices may differ, So at last, I would like to say that you can join our channel where we upload mocks related to maths, logical section, English section, in order to crack the CLAT examination or the law examination as well. So I hope you all have liked the way I have provided the review. So do subscribe to our channel. And yes, some students were asking that how many pages it contains. So it contains around 540 pages. So this is the sole reason I was saying that this is a bulky book, and just at 499 this is a big deal. And some of you may think that I am trying to promote a particular coaching institute. This is not the reason. I have already said that my motto is to help you prepare for the examination, and I try my best to help you in your preparation. So do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.